Welcome back to the channel. We are here in Samal Island. So a nice little property, which I'll show you around later. Thunderstorms last night. We arrived very late, so we was left trying to find some shop to get some food. And it was very adventurous, shall we say. So now we're just going to make our way down to Samal to get some bikes so we can actually get around, because at the moment we can't get around. So we're going to walk down there. From the maps it's saying about 30 minutes, so let's make our way down there. And a little walk along the road. No doubt we'll get stopped by these little tuk-tuks. We've already been stopped by one, but we had to drop our glass bottles back off to the little shop we went to last night, because they recycle them. They probably make some money from it. So we're just making our way down now. I may jump in one of these tuk-tuks. We'll have a little look. No doubt they'll pull up beside us and ask us if we want a lift for how much they want to charge. So we'll see. We might bargain with them, we might not. The boys are walking quite fast. It's lovely here today. It's absolutely beautiful sunshine. And just coming from Manila, like I said, my God, it was terrible there for a week. All the plans gone down the pan, so it took a little bit more research to see where we can go. And I come up with this, Samal Island. Obviously getting information from other people, which is the best source of information I find, because you can see it for real of what you're going to be doing, which is how I knew that we was going to be faced with the challenge of getting two 22 kilo suitcases up some narrow steps on my own. But luckily I've got my friend Peter with me, otherwise me and Thomas would have definitely struggled. I mean, they normally have porters on these kinds of things, but the ferry across from Davao to the island, they didn't have any porters on, so we had to do it ourselves. It's no problem. Right, let's get down to the port area and get some motorbikes. You can stop here, we're okay here.
That?
Yeah, salamat.
Salamat. Oh.
Here, this
Yes.
one, that
Okay,
one,
okay.
good. Yeah, we get out here. It's cool. Thank you.
Your turn.
Okay.
Want me to sinabot?
Makano?
That's what you want, 50.
Yeah. Change, isn't it? Hello.
Which bike would you like? We only have one available manual. All were automatic.
Yeah, just some scooters.
Okay. That is the 350. And then the red one over there is 350, 400. The orange one is 350, 450, and 450.
What size are these?
125cc.
Okay. 450 a day?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
24 hours. We provide the helmet. Not so good helmet,
Yeah.
but we provide for free.
Okay. Just a click. I don't need nothing too big. Just I want one with a phone holder so we can find where we're going.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
And we can transfer the phone holder to this one.
Okay.
If you like. This one is 350
Yeah.
and 450
They're automatic.
Yeah.
automatic.
Twist and go.
How about the manual, the dirt bike?
No, just some scooters are fine. Yeah.
You like
Uh,
this one?
yeah, we'll just take the 350s.
The 350 and the other one 250 over there.
Yeah.
The
Uh,
blue one.
yeah. Okay.
That's
Actually,
a brand new.
is it? Okay. Let's take that then.
Have they got petrol?
The petrol, it's not full.
Uh huh.
Well, just fill the gas as handed over.
Yeah.
If it's empty, you return also empty.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. That's the nearest gas station over there.
Yeah. Okay.
Just normal one, maybe.
Like this. Yeah.
Waka 350. This is Honda. A Yamaha.
How many days you rent, sir?
6.
6 days.
6 days.
Yeah.
How about the other one, the orange one for 350? You take that bike for 350?
Which ones are the best ones? Which ones are reliable? This one?
This one. This doesn't have a history of engine trouble. The boat bike doesn't
Yeah.
have history.
We'll just take them.
Okay.
That's okay. We just come from Manila. Nothing but rain.
Yeah, it's flooding.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Poor drainage system. Lots of garbage on the drainage.
Yeah.
Sign, 2 names, address, contact number, then signature.
Yeah.
2 names of drive.
Where do you stay here in the island?
I rent Airbnb. It's up the hill on the way to Samal.
Kasi itong tatago na kung mga papang.
Yata na ako
Address.
sa...
He wants to be cameraman, then don't want to hold it. Right, Thomas.
Yeah.
We've got a motorbike now. Can have a little journey. Peter behind somewhere.
He's behind us.
Right, you're now the cameraman. So, hold on. Let's just go for a ride. Cruising around the island on our little moped, eh? Now we got some mode of transport. We can get around better. We've got phone holders on the motorcycle, which is better. So we're making our way to don't know where. We're just gonna, yeah. Should we go to the beach?
Yeah.
Right, let's go then.
I think it's down that.
I know where it is. Don't you worry about that. I had a look on Google Maps last night. So let's make our way to the beach.
Very good.
So we've just gone over the mountains. We're coming down the other side now. How you enjoying it, Thomas? Love it?
Yeah.
Hold tight. Bumpy, bumpy. So we don't want to get a puncture, look. We are 6 minutes away from our destination.
Let's go to the beach.
For the beautiful views. Off top of the mountain. Let me drive past this bit slowly. There's obviously some viewpoints. Right, we'll be back with you when we reach our destination. So we've arrived now at Kaputian Beach Park. So, on the reviews, it's supposed to be nice. So let's go and check it out. Let's go and see if we can get anything.
Morning.
Morning.
Information, sir. Information,
This one?
Yeah.
Oh. It's taken us a while to get here, so we're now gonna enjoy it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, white building. We need to go and get some beds. Ah, here.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Two of these, I think.
Inclining red too.
These two, yeah?
Two.
Salamat. Two. There's two there. Easier. Wow. What do you think of the water, Thomas? Looks nice, huh? In the sun, Korea. Walk and go and get the... You want here, Peter? Here? Salamat. Yeah. Yeah. Kuya, is there anywhere we can get some towel from? Can we get some towel from somewhere?
Davao.
Down the shop over there? Yeah? If I ask reception, I'll ask them. Okay. Salamat. Thank you. Hang on. Kuya. Kuya. Tip. Sure? Right, Thomas, go and check out the water, mate. Put everyone down there so they can go and see. I'm gonna go and get a drink in a minute. Just look at these amazing sea colours. Now this is the rainy season in the Philippines, as I keep mentioning, but we are far south, so this is obviously a private resort. It was recommended. There's quite a few stones on the beach here. Thomas is talking to you, but he doesn't realise the microphone's on me. What are you trying to tell everyone, Thomas?
Huh?
What are you trying to tell everyone? Because the microphone's on me. They can hear you now because I'm stood right by you.
There's boats over there.
Yeah.
They might be fishing boats.
I think there'll probably be day trip boats. They will.
Day trip boats, and there's like more boats over there.
Oh, maybe that's a port, isn't it?
That's a port over there, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's where everybody's coming in.
Yeah. The water isn't very clear, but if you like go over like there.
That's because of the sand. The sea's churning it up. But it's very, very blue. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Right. Now the most important part is we want to get I Heart Samal in the video, don't we?
Yeah.
So are you going to show everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah? Go on then. Go over to it and walk down the letters so we can see I Heart. He's talking you through it again, but you can't see him. And I've got the microphone on me, so he's just showing all the letters of the I Heart Samal Islands. Beautiful area. It's taken us about half an hour to get here, so now we're gonna enjoy a little family chill out time on the beach. Thank you, Thomas, our little 10-year-old cameraman. So now we're gonna relax and chill out for the day. See you soon. This is what it's all about. Chilling on the beach, watching everybody have a bit of fun. Nice little location this, if you want to bring your family. Lovely afternoon spent. It took us about 30 minutes to get here from where we're staying, so it's nothing really for the views that you get. So we're all finished at the resort now. Nice little wall painting there, just by the beach. This is a popular attraction for the Filipinos, shall I say. Lovely little beach huts. And there is a on-site restaurant, cafe. I had some pancit from earlier. We're going to go back there now because we need some water for our journey back. But we've got Mush waiting for us down here. He's found something, so let's go and check out what he's got. What has he found here? What is it?
I know, but we've got 2 sharks, but
Two
look at the
sharks.
size of this monster here. And look, it's real. Look at the scars when they split it.
Oh,
and
right, yeah.
look. What is it? He said it's a Gugon or something. I don't know what a Gugon is.
No idea.
Size of it.
Never seen that before. Should grab some water quickly. Let's get some water from the cafe. If it's still open. Hello. Can we get some water, please?
That's the super there, look.
Yeah, it's 10%. Look.
Red horse.
No water.
Oh, water.
Not yet. Too early. Do you want water?
This was
Free, please.
Thank you.
Oh, keep the change. Salamat. Right, let's go now. One for you, Thomas. Let's go back to the bike. So when you come here, there's information boards. Salamat. Those boards where I got a little bit confused earlier because the lady said information, so she stumbled me. But as you go in the main entrance on the left is where you'll find the information. We had 2 beds and entrance fee is 50 pesos. And 2 beds were 200 for, we've been here for 5 hours, which is good. So, and luckily our bikes are in the shade, so the seat isn't going to be hot. Now let's make our way back to Babek. Right. So we're just heading back to Babek now. Just following this little trike, taking our time. The journey is 40 minutes. So we're going to enjoy the views. If I find anything that is extravagant on the way, we will stop off. We'll have a little look. But other than that, we're going to enjoy our little journey back, aren't we, Thomas?
Yeah.
So we've just ridden back into Babek and now we have stopped at Azimbo Grill and Restaurant. I looked up on Google because obviously we're on an island and it's a little bit hard to locate restaurants like what you're used to on normal land, so we're going to try this out and we're watching the old bustling traffic go past. Let's take a quick look at the menu. Do you want breaded pork with rice?
Yes, please.
Or you want to find out what that is?
Looks like chili in the
It
middle.
looks like crispy pata.
I just have this one, just Sunbed meal.
Chicken in the cell with rice. Chicken and rice? Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Can we get the prawn?
Tempura.
Yeah, tempura. What's this one? Is this crispy pata, is it?
Yeah, crispy pata.
You want that, Thomas, or you want this one?
No, please.
This one? Yeah, okay. One of this with
Crispy
rice.
pata.
And rice, please.
Chop.
Yes, please. Is this golden blue?
Oh, but not as available for now.
Oh, I got excited. Some chicken curry,
Chicken curry.
cheese sticks. What are you going to have, Pete?
I'm going to go for gambas, French fries, chicken curry. Does it come with rice or?
Chicken curry. Chicken curry.
Rice too, yes, please.
Okay. That's all for you, sir.
Chicken curry.
Chicken curry, then gambas and French fries.
Chicken curry, does it come with rice?
Extra.
Is it extra?
Yeah.
French fries, then gambas.
So he'll have rice as well, additional rice, you know. So 2 chicken curry, 2 rice,
2 rice.
tempura prawn,
Gambas, French fries.
French fries, cheese sticks.
Cheese steak. But you order it only one, it's not separate to pay. It's only
Order 1 bill.
1 bill.
Yeah.
Okay. So, I repeat, sir, ha? I repeat. 1 tempura, 1 crispy pata, 1 chicken curry, 1 cheese steak, 1 gambas, 2 rice, and also 1 chicken curry also.
Yes. Salamat. So now we wait for our food to come. We'll come back to you shortly. Got some chicken curry, rice, prawns. What's your review, Thomas? Good, yeah. We did have some cheese sticks as well, but I ate them because I couldn't wait no more. So sorry about that. Let's test this out, see what it's like. So we have all the parts of the chicken in this, which we don't do back at home in the UK. But it is very, very tasty. Just adds to the flavour. Using all the bones. Very good food, so recommend this place. Welcome back, everyone. Got a bit late last night, so the house tour was a little bit pointless because it was too dark. But here's the front of the property. Got a nice little garden. Some motorbikes that we rented, parked up. And let's check out inside. Got a good spacious front room. Nice dining area. Nice kitchen. Excuse me. And it even comes with a washing machine in this place, so that was very handy. Get mine and Thomas's clothes clean again, so that come in use for the next few days. Now we have out here is what's called a dirty kitchen, where all the food generally gets cooked. Have a barbecue out here. Wash up everything after. So great for entertaining families. Just bear with me while I lock up. Then let's take you through to the bedrooms. Now this is a 3-bedroom place. I've got the downstairs toilet here. Bedroom number 1. Nice size. Fans. Bedroom number 2. Got bunk beds. Each room's got ample space, like cupboards. We've got another bathroom here. Shower, toilet, as you'd expect. This is the master bedroom where me and Thomas are staying. With plenty of space, wardrobes. And we've even got a bath, shower. Pressure's very good. It's actually a very good little spot, but if we didn't have the bikes we wouldn't be able to get around anywhere, because it's about a 30-minute walk from Samal port, and in this heat it is quite challenging. Like when we walked down here yesterday, it's alright walking down there because it's downhill, but trying to get back up, I wouldn't even attempt it. It's too much for Thomas, and it would actually probably do us in after a while walking in this heat. So my suggestion would be to get some motorbikes as soon as you get off the pier. We hired some from across Samal Pier, so they were 350 pesos a day. Perfect for getting around the island, don't need nothing expensive. So I'll share where I'm staying, because it only cost for 7 days £317, conversion rate on the screen. So if you are looking to visit this island, then this is a perfect little spot, especially if you've got your family with you. So I'll leave all the stuff in the comments, and if you want to look into it, please do. If you're not already subscribing, please subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next video.